Hello there, welcome to this video. I want to show you how to install the latest version of KODI application. If you find this video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. Now if you have an Android TV like mine, I don't have Play Store, we want to install the latest version of KODI, here's exactly what to do. Now, what you have to do is to have this application called Unlink. If you don't have the application, in the description of this video, I have created a video that's going to guide you to install the Unlink application to Android TV. Now, once you go ahead and launch the Unlink application, it's very easy to use. I'm going to be showing you how to use this application to get the latest version of KODI application. Now, if you go over to this library, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to get the library. If you go over to this library, and sorry, I'm blurring this because some applications here might have problems with YouTube, so I have to blur this. But if you go over to this library and you scroll to the bottom or scroll right down, you're going to see the KODI version, and this is the latest version. This is the KODI 21.2 version, and you can install it from this library. Now, if there is an update in the KODI version, it is also going to be updated here. This version was lastly updated last April, and it was updated in this library on the 20th of May. And I'm making this video at the end of May, so this was updated like 9 days ago. So you can install it from here. How do you install it? You just have to click on the application once, and then the download button is going to pop up. We can just go ahead and download. As I said, this is the KODI 21.2 Omega application. So this is the latest version. If it's ever updated, it is updated once a year. Then you just have to go back to this library. You're going to see the application. It's well updated. So click on it and then you just go ahead and download. It'll install to your Android TV. So how do you get here? How do you which library code do you use to get here? And that's what I'm about to do, show you now. Now, if you install KODI for your first time and launch it on your Android TV, once you are here, they're going to ask you to add a new library. Once you come back to new library, all you have to do is type in this code. So here is the code. It's everything. Once you type in the code everything and you launch, it is going to bring you to this library, and this is the library where you are going to be downloading and installing the KODI application. So it's simple. Install the Unlink app, add a new library. The library code is everything, and you go over here, you are going to see the latest Unlink application. So here's it. I'm sorry once again for blurring this. I don't want this video taken down. If you found the video helpful, like and subscribe for more important videos like this.